Hey y'all, it's Ken. We made it, y'all.
No, you did not take a shot. I'm about to punch you, bro. For real.
We're already starting.
You learned it.
Y'all, that was nasty. But it's Jayla's 21st birthday trip. We're in Puerto Rico. So it's Jayla, me, her man, her cousin, and her cousin's friend, and her parents. We all here for Jayla's 21st. And we're just waiting for the rental. Her dad's getting it right now. And then we're staying in a hotel tonight, and then because it's like literally 2 in the morning. It's damn near 3 in the morning. So we're staying in a hotel by the airport, and then we're gonna wake up tomorrow and check into the B&B. So yeah, her cousin already got me taking shots. I'm not. I need the empanada, like Jayla just said. She's like, Mom, I need the empanada right now. We literally do. But here come her parents. We gotta get the rental. I will see y'all when we get to the hotel, or probably tomorrow, because I'm tired.
This is some visionary shit. Been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Strip a booty with the rack like.
Yeah, we're too excited. Literally, like, Jayla's jumping around the pool.
I can hear my sound.
Vlog, I know y'all saw the hotel last night, but let me show y'all it in the daylight because y'all, me and Jayla just took some pictures on these little like chairs in the water. 8 down. Like, y'all got to go look at those on my Instagram. They're too good. So we're about to make TikToks. We're honestly just like playing around in the pool right now. Let me show y'all the fits real quick.
Early as it.
Oh, but she been up since 8 a.m. I was asleep. This one over here. I literally looked dead at you. I did not know that was you. Wow.
Alright, let's make our TikTok.
Alright. Jayla's man is here. Y'all look. Let me show y'all. He just got here late. Late to the party. Be back when we go to brunch.
Sorry to call you. There you go, and smoothie will be later.
We're at brunch at Lila's.
Hey, miss. We got
Yeah, crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yes,
We packed in here crazy. We made it to the Airbnb. Y'all, there was so much traffic. Like, it was ridiculous. But this is our room. It's just a little like hallway of bunks basically. But let me show you the rest of the Airbnb. It is so nice, y'all. And the view from the balcony, I'm about to be over there every day, every morning, all day.
Some boy we are a brother, much less my relative. Yo, get tired. Them now want see we no go check. Now I will live the life like we no movie. She tell us she narrate me, so that a fool me. I see that she come get this thing at the.
So that's the whole Airbnb. Basically right now we're just chilling for a little bit, you know, whatever, settling, putting all our stuff in our rooms and stuff, and then we're gonna go to Walmart because we need water, fruit, stuff for the morning, you know, stuff like that. And then we're gonna go to this little like strip of like restaurants, bars. The weather has not been the best. It honestly started raining right after we took our pictures and right after I talked to y'all when we were over at the hotels, and it's been raining ever since. So I don't know, say a little prayer about that tonight. But yeah, we're just here at the Airbnb. Super cute, super excited. This is going to be a good week. Go.
on this pantry. I can't. We asked you why they going to. I want to find out G. I want to find.
Southside on the track. Yeah.
Southside.
Good morning. What even is it? Day 2, day 3? I don't know what day it is, but it's Jayla's birthday. Y'all, last night was so much fun. Like, it was just basically like, if y'all know, y'all, I'm from New Orleans, and we have like Bourbon Street. It was basically like Bourbon Street, but here. The first club we went to was called Tulum, which is so crazy. They have a club called Tulum in San Juan, Puerto Rico, but it was super fun. We were in there for a while, and then we ended up going to this like rooftop little club or whatever. We just went to all the clubs on the strip. I'm gonna finish getting ready, and then I will see y'all when I'm done getting ready, because I kind of need to hurry up. It's Jayla. Yeah, look at our outfits. Hold on, let me put the camera this way so y'all can really get into the detail. Y'all see? Y'all see? Y'all see? Cheers. We are so happy. We're about to go ATV riding. We had a little hiccup with the ATVs, so we just stopped on the side of the road because the view is too good.
Yeah, I said that. They probably said it. Yo, you know you count with me.
We're trying to find jet skis now, or something we could do today, because we're already kind of, you know, ready for that. So I'll let y'all know when we figure it out. We just taking in the views right now. Ready? One.
Yo, jet ski.
Okay. How's the views?
It's great views, you feel me? Hold on, I gotta throw in a, cause it's just so much. You feel me? Like,
Yeah, we just got off the jet skis and just got some margaritas. I'm over here by myself. We gotta leave. We had a time on the beach, I'm not gonna lie, but the waiting for the food really blew me. And this bird trying to like run up. I'm not feeling that. Like, move. I don't like birds. I'm literally deathly afraid of birds, actually. Get the fuck away. Oh God, I'm literally scared of birds and they're everywhere. But yeah. We're finna go to Jayla's birthday dinner. And I'll be back when we get ready. And these the fastest ones.
Like I run fast, right?
They so bad, y'all.
The music
Shut up. We're waiting to get seated at dinner right now, but let me show y'all my fit.
Let me get those flicks.
So after we left from the beach, we went back to the Airbnb and then chilled and stuff and then got ready. And now we're here. Waiting for the food. Like it, Joe? The rice is good? Yeah. Yeah. Actually, the side of it, it looked good. Okay, y'all, so it is 12. It is hot.
We done got some good weather after a couple 2 rainy days.
That's okay. It was worth it. I knew the sun was gonna come out. Couldn't stay raining while we was here. I'm about to go on the jet ski. I'm scared because Jayla's riding with her boyfriend, but I'm riding with Mikey and he do too much. And I'm scared. She's gonna have fun. No, he literally does too much. Take a picture like we always do.
Yeah, you got
Them little.
I don't even wear glasses. My man's got a brand.
Me either. That's why they be on my
I
head.
bought these shits from him because I was supporting them.
They're nice.
Shout out 93. You recording? Shout out 93 Premium. Go tap in with my boy.
Show them the glasses. Turn.
I'm a live ass girl.
Yeah.
Shout out 93 Premium. Go tap in with him.
Good quality.
Great quality. Speak right.
I should about to take pictures, about to get on jet ski. I will see you in a sec.
You're not about to blame me because I'm getting crazy.
Okay, I had my phone on it yesterday.
But that's your own risk. I'm telling you.
Now, he was getting crazy yesterday.
Yeah, he was. All right.
Crazy on that.
My eyebrows is off because Mikey was going crazy in the jet ski.
Eyebrows done. Y'all!
We split it twice. Lashes still on. Hair still on. It is 1:52. We're stopping to get some food right now. The jet skis was super fun. Miss Maya flipped off with that wig. I don't know. She was tripping out. Not once, but twice.
Just slipping down from that. You dumb for it.
Ooh, no, that's too high.
You dumb for it. I don't even like looking up. That shit fucking.
Yeah, we's back with another video live.
Yeah, we should probably get ready to go out.
Yeah, we about to get
Came back, we took showers.
I'm back on that shit again. I'm back. Let me say I'm back on that shit again.
talk to the people, cuz.
That's what I'm saying.
Stay
I was
with
down
here, they
bad.
said.
Now it's mentioned with the palm trees.
They said they didn't
Shout out to the jet. Me and
Wait, what they say you was?
know
What's
me.
the trenches,
I
guys?
ain't even pray to this way. This shit came from.
Alright, y'all, we're about to start getting ready to go out. It's Cinco de Mayo, and I think Mikey's gonna be the drunkest. You know. Alright. Go, tell him who you are.
Oh, you already know. G50. Y'all add me on the gram, GFIVE. Tap into the music, YouTube, iTunes, Spotify. It's all up there. Well, I think it's gonna be the drunkest tonight. And ain't no cap in that rap. That boy right there, he's stuck in the cup.
Alright, 2 for 2.
I'm in prison, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah.
Okay. We're on the way now, finally leaving. We're finally back and everybody's awake. So, Jayla. My name is Jayla Maya. Y'all, the lip combo, I can't get over it. And I think Mikey's gonna be the drunkest. Okay, that's 3 for 3 for Mikey. He's been waiting to go out for Cinco de Mayo. Yeah, for real. I'm Ken. Y'all already know I think Mikey's gonna be the drunkest. 50 said Mikey was gonna be the drunkest. Let's see what Miles say. Miles.
You want the drunkest? Man, probably Mikey, bro.
See? Mikey is 4 for 4. Really, everybody said Mikey's gonna be the drunkest.
I
Yes.
should have showed you that the first night. Now I think I'm just a drunkie.
All right.
What up? It's your boy Mike. Follow me on the gram, Mikey West __.
No extra ad labs.
Stay in the back, please. Thank you. I feel like Jayla gonna be the drunkest. She be fried. I ain't gonna front. She gonna
We're going back to where we like partied and went out the first night, but we're stopping over here at Distro T-Mobile first, just to get some food and like some drinks and stuff, and then we're gonna go out. So.
That ain't scream. Hey, you went flying business first. Hey, you went driving around the world. Hey, you went round like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want wall it all my hole. Oh, you wanna line it all up. Hey, I'm gonna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spiel. Hey, I'm in the field.
Good morning, vlog. Last night I didn't go to sleep until 7 in the morning. La Placita was really fun, but we met these girls and they were super nice, and then they ended up coming back with us, and they were just with us all night. But it is 2:31. It's our last day in Puerto Rico. We're at this place called Coffee Therapy, and I just ordered this sandwich and it looks so good.
Good?
Just what I needed this morning. Y'all, it's such a vibe over here. This man playing this, I don't know what type of horn that is behind this tree. Can't see him, but just relax on the beach. This is La Parade Beach. That's where I'm at right now.
How long has he been in there, bro? He's probably pulling down.
Gailey said you're a prune now. Get out. Jayla did my hair. And I have this really cute outfit on, but now we are in Old San Juan waiting to be seated for some film. Well, I'm just kind of like taking pictures right now. Hush, my God. Why you gotta do all that nonsense every time I put the camera on?
Everything is loud here. La mami, la casita, la drinka, la puta.
Like, you got that cute look.
Oh, that means it's good. Huh? It's a good choice, right there.
Okay, vlog, I'm at, I forgot how to say it again. La Casita de Rones. Y'all heard that? This girl that's on the table next to us got this steak and it looks super good, so that's what I ordered. And it's coming with the beans and rice. We're probably about to go take pictures, but let me show you how cute this place is. Like, real cute. But this is in Old San Juan, by the way. I'm not taking it with the camera. Good morning, vlog. It is 10:12. Everybody's like waking up right now. I kind of got up a little bit earlier, but we are about to go to the airport and go back home. I'm saying goodbye to our beautiful Airbnb view. I had a great time in PR, and I think Jayla had a wonderful 21st birthday. Happy birthday, Jayla. I love you. Make sure Y'all follow my Instagram because I have so many posts from this trip on there. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you know when I post next.